also have a few rooms just above the Taverna Vasilis, in case if you are willing to stay a night or two in this area, that's also possible. And around the area you can see there are some hotels, villas, possibly Airbnbs that you can stay. But keep one thing in mind, I don't see any supermarkets or mini markets in this area to get like some groceries, to maybe get water, maybe some other things that you may need. So keep that in mind whenever visiting this place. Get the things that you need with you already. Like the video, and of course I will leave a link to this beach in the description so you can find this beach. And please share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section, and if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. Other than that, until the next time, peace.